Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, OMG, are you ready for today's topic? Because we have 4 super and major hot topics, everything Louis Vuitton. So first topic guys is I'm going to share to you Louis Vuitton's latest Spring-Summer 2022 collection. So this is going to be exciting. I'm also going to share to you what is opinion of the masses when I've asked you on Instagram stories whether you're going to buy them or not. Second is I'm going to share to you one bag that Louis Vuitton is going to discontinue really soon. This one you really need to get your hands on before they discontinue and not sell them on Louis Vuitton stores. Third guys, this would end all the debate regarding the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. Yes, I would be sharing to you guys very hot news regarding the rebirth of toiletry pouch. And last but not the least, this one guys, OMG, are you ready? The impending Louis Vuitton price increase this year. Yes, you heard it right. So if you want to find out all about this latest and hot topics of Louis Vuitton, please stay tuned. Alright, so first topic, let us discuss first the Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2022. So let's start with the bags. So again guys, I've asked you on Instagram whether you are going to buy these or not. So the very first one would be the Papillon bag in the Petite Sac Plat, and according to the results, 63% said yes, you're going to buy, and 37% said no. Guys, OMG, I'm super happy that 63% said yes, that you are interested in this collection. So for me personally, I would also be saying yes, because OMG guys, 1 year has already gone by because last year they have released their By the Pool collection. So I'm glad it's like they're doing a By the Pool collection part 2. So if you could remember during that By the Pool collection last year, they have done this Papillon bag. However, it comes, I think if I'm not mistaken, 2 colors, one in pink and one in kind of salmon color. So that bag is very beautiful. So for this new Spring-Summer 2022, I'm glad that they are re-releasing the Papillon bag and in a darker colorway. So as you can see here, if I'm not mistaken, the color is more of violets and purple, so I super like this one. Then of course, what I'm also super happy with this one is the Petite Sac Plat. You know guys how much I love my Petite Sac Plat, and I'm super happy that, you know, it's not every season, but at least they are, you know, releasing the Petite Sac Plat version like every other season. So that means they're still going to continue with the Petite Sac Plat line. So this specific bag, I also like this one. Yes, it's a little bit on the lighter color, but the colorway is very interesting. So if I'm going to compare it to the By the Pool collection, I'm more drawn to this Spring-Summer 2022. So my recommendation to you guys, make your reservation right away with your CAs. Check with them when is this going to be released. Have yourself be put on the reservation list right away. Alright, next result is the wicker Louis Vuitton bag for Spring-Summer 2022, and 57% said yes, you would like to purchase this one when it comes out, and 43% said no. So me guys, I'm going to make this quick. I would be siding with the no's. Why? Because personally, I am not a fan of the, you know, anything made with wicker, regardless of the brand, luxury brand. I'm not really a fan because I would definitely choose like a leather version because I am thinking of the longevity. Because to be honest guys, these are very expensive bags, and as much as possible, I would like to purchase a bag. I would like them to transcend into different seasons. Honestly, that's just me. I would like to be able to use them not only on spring, summer, but I would like to use them on different seasons, like for example for fall, winter, even though we don't have any fall, winter here in the Philippines. But what I like about this bag, because of the huge LV monogram, it's like made in leather, so that's one huge pro for this bag. But my recommendation for me guys, it's just me, so just be careful when purchasing a wicker bag. If for example I would want a bag that I would be bringing to the beach, then perhaps I would be choosing, you know, a more contemporary, a less expensive bag of this material. Last bag would be the green papillon bag. So 71% said yes, you're going to purchase, and 29% said no. So OMG, I'm super happy because I'm siding with the yes. And this one makes me really smile because this is, you know, this is like the vintage version, and they're bringing it to today. I'm going to put a photo here side by side, so if you're going to look closely, if I could find more photos of this newer papillon bag, then I'm going to put it. But I'm just so happy, and as you know guys, I have also my papillon bag made in the Noir Epi leather, and I'm super excited that they're bringing this style back. So yes, yes, yes for this one, and hopefully they would come up with more colorways for this very beautiful bag. Right, second hot topic. So Louis Vuitton would be discontinuing the bomb bag come April 1st, 2022. Yes, you heard it right. Louis Vuitton is really going to take out this very beautiful bomb bag off their website, and they are not going to restock this at any Louis Vuitton boutiques come April 1st. So hopefully this is not an April Fool's joke, but this came from Foxy LV, a very reliable source for up-and-coming news, anything Louis Vuitton. So if I were you guys, my recommendation is, if you love this bag and you are still, you know, thinking, should I still get it or not, let this be the sign. So I would recommend go directly to your CAs, because I'm sure, I'm checking on US Louis Vuitton sites right now, it's currently out of stock. But check with your CA immediately, so that if, for example, there are newer stocks that would be coming in, you would be first place in line, or you would be first in line to be getting that stock, and you could add it to your collection. So definitely guys, there would be FOMO, or don't miss out on this one if you really want the Louis Vuitton bomb bag. Alright, so for the third hot topic, let's listen first to what Foxy LV has to say.
You all made jokes. You all made a lot of freaking jokes that they were gonna turn your guys' idea, this, into a bag. They're doing it. In May is coming.
Alright, so as you've heard directly from Foxy LV, this has been an ongoing debate regarding the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, because there are two teams. One is saying that you cannot use the toiletry pouch aside from using it as a toiletry pouch. Others are saying, you know, I don't care, I'll be using it, I paid for this one. They would be adding the insert and using it as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag. So according to Foxy LV, Louis Vuitton would be coming up with a new toiletry pouch, and this one would be, you know, a bag. You know, it would end all this debate once and for all. So I've asked you guys whether you're going to buy these maybe coming May, and according to you guys, 33% said yes, you're going to buy, and 67% said no. So maybe I understand why 67% said no. Maybe it's because, again, maybe you already have the toiletry pouch, you have already converted it. So like for example, me, I'm so lucky I was able to get a hold of toiletry pouch last 2021 from Louis Vuitton store, and I'm able to convert it, and honestly I super love this one. So my answer for this one, I would still, you know, say yes to this one if, for example, there are a couple of upgrades with the new toiletry pouch line. Of course, I would be checking the prices first, whether it's super expensive, because like for example, the Cousin, remember, so as beautiful as that bag is, but because of the very steep price of the Cousin PM, I would still prefer the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. Fourth and hottest topic of Louis Vuitton, are you ready for this guys? It is the pending Louis Vuitton price increase worldwide. So according to our very reliable sources, so this would be happening already February 15th, even before this video would be posted. So the price increase would happen first in Japan. So it would affect the leather goods and accessories, and OMG, can you believe this guys? 10 to 25% increase. OMG! Oh, it's so crazy. So as you know guys, Louis Vuitton would be having their annual price increase. So for 2021, if I'm not mistaken, around 2 or 3 price increases happened. And I was a victim during the February to March price increase. Remember guys, I purchased my Petite Sac that initially I saw that one February last year, but I did not purchase. Then I went back March 2021. Unfortunately, my CA said I was hit with the price increase and I have to bite the bullet and add $100 plus US dollars because I still couldn't sleep without having that Petite Sac plat on my collection. That's why my recommendation for you guys, because normally the price increase would happen first in Japan, then it would happen worldwide. So let's not say that there is no definite date. There is no definite date yet with the price increase that would happen worldwide. But may this be a warning for all of us. So for example, you're thinking of purchasing a bag, but again, you're holding back. Guys, like in my experience, I would say go to your CA, the Louis Vuitton boutique, and purchase that bag right away before the Louis Vuitton price increase would happen. And once the price increase happened, guys, just like what I did last year, I would be taking note of the prices so we would have an idea of the percentage the prices will increase with most of the Louis Vuitton bags and SLGs. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode and find this very, very informative, especially with the discontinuation of the Louis Vuitton bomb bag and most importantly, the Louis Vuitton price increase. I would love to hear from each and every one of you guys what you think of this very big news that we have discussed for today. Please do comment down below. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and I'll be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you can get daily updates and silent tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this entire episode. I'll be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. I will see you soon. Please stay safe. Bye!